Welcome. We're just going to go through the installation of the bean vending machine. So here I have my main man Simon, and he's one of our experts. He's going to show us how to set it up from the box. So here we go, Simon, go ahead. So we have the power plug, which kind of plugs in only one spot to put it in, so super easy. The other part, which is the only tricky part in the setup, is actually connecting the water. I say tricky just because it's a little bit of just getting the parts in the right position. But again, yeah, only one place to put it. So literally screws on there, super simple. That actually is obviously the pipe which then connects to your water bottle, and then that's the power for the pump. That actually powers the pump. And again, there's only 3 slots that can fit in there, and you just have to kind of turn it until the 3 slots are aligned. There we are, we screw it in, and there we're done. As we do that, we can actually hear the pump start up, trying to actually do the sucking. And that goes straight into our water bottle, and the water bottle can obviously be filled up with tap water when it's finished. You don't have to use any specific water. Obviously the better water, the better the coffee, but can be any tap water to fill it up. And that's how the machine gets its water and its power. So after the machine is filled with water, it changes the text to say, please place your cup and select your drink. And here you have, depending on your model, you might have 8-button model or you might have a 6-button model. The 6-button model will just leave out cafe latte and your hot water, but now you'll be ready to go. If you want to now fill your machine with product, which I'm sure you will from the beginning, you open the machine up, and as soon as you open the machine up, the power cuts. That's how the machine is designed. So as soon as you open your machine, the machine cuts off power, and this is your little key to go into the programming mode. So if you have a look under here, there's a little orange little lever or button where your key can fit in and slides and turns, and that restarts the machine while the front cover is open. So once the front cover is open, the machine's now on. Underneath this, I have this little button over here, which I'm going to press, which is going to take me into my programming mode. So I'm just going to wait for the machine to now return on and reactivate. And once I'm there, I'm going to press this button again, and I'm going to the program mode to allow me to actually show you the cleaning cycle. So now it says place your cup and select your drink. I'm now ready to go to press that button. And when I press, I have a few options. It will take me through each one detailed with what it actually means. So 1 program, 3 test, 2 data, 5 maintenance mode, and 4 clean. So I'm going to go into the cleaning mode first. So I press 4 to go into the cleaning mode. And now I have 3 different cleaning selections. And each cleaning selection cleans a different part of the machine. So each day I should go through each one of these cleaning selections one by one. So first I'm going to press selection number 1. I'm going to put my cup underneath here just while the machine rinses out, and that's going to rinse it out. And I'm going to repeat that process for cleaning cycle 1, cleaning cycle 2, cleaning cycle 3. And I do that once a day at the end of the day, and then I'm ready to go. Basically it's cleaning out this pipe here, and then I'm going to go next after that cleaning process into cleaning 2. Now it says back to the main menu, cleaning selection 2. I'm going to press cleaning 2, same process. Now it cleans out this pipe. Again, just a few seconds of water through each pipe. And last part, cleaning 3. Oopsie. Cleaning cycle 3, cleaning this whole pipe and this whole system out. Once I'm done, I'm ready to go back to the beginning. I can actually take my key out, close the machine up back again, and as soon as the machine's closed, power goes back on, and I'm ready to go. Alright, so I just want to show you how to make a quick cup of coffee with the beans and where the beans go, and then the cleaning process of removing the used ground. So firstly, a cup goes over here. I'm just going to make it in a polystyrene cup, and I'll make an espresso. I'm doing it obviously with the machine open. Obviously you're going to do it with the machine closed, but just to show you the inner workings. And you'll see the coffee dispensing through here. That goes into the brewing unit, gets compacted, and we eventually extracted through here. And I just want to show you a super important thing, which is one of the most common reasons people find that the beans aren't coming out, or they see the beans aren't working. And you have this little safety piece of plastic really, which controls the beans once you put beans in again, so that it doesn't run out when you remove this container. It's super important to remember that this orange piece must be pulled totally outwards, otherwise it's going to sound like it's grinding beans, and it is going to grind the beans, but it's not going to be able to dispense it into your brewing unit. So just remember, when you make a cup of coffee, keep this orange piece pulled out if after cleaning you've done your whole cleaning process, just to double check that part. Now, in terms of your daily cleaning or removing the used grounds, so this is your drip tray, and this will obviously be filled with water if you're spilling a lot. And the other piece that does need cleaning is your grounds container. So this is where used packs of coffee will fall into, and each of this will obviously fill up. Just chuck it out even in the dustbin or in the garden and replace this, and then you'll be good to go for some more coffee.